Today we'll talk about how can you enable terminal notifications on your Olymptrade app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this way, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, click on settings. You come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications, just click on it here. You come to terminal, you just click in this sign. Like you see, this color show for us as terminal notifications enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. That's all. You just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. That's all. Thank you for your watching.